Let's pretend this is a TV. Okay? We'll set it right here. Put this over here. Okay. Don't break the remote control. Okay, let's change the channel. What do you want to watch?
Wreck-It Ralph.
Okay, let's watch it. You have to change it to number 15. Use the remote. Here, I'll do it first. What else can we watch?
Wreck-It Ralph.
Wreck-It Ralph. How about we watch Curious George?
Curious George.
Okay, change the channel. There's Curious George. And the man with the yellow hat. I see him. Oh, you've already seen that show. Let's watch a different show. What show do you want to watch?
Wreck-It Ralph.
Okay, change the channel. Oh, there's Vanellope. Zoom, zoom, zoom in her car. What are we watching now?
Wreck-It Ralph.
Well, that's what we were watching before you changed the channel. How about we watch Snow White?
Snow White.
Okay. There's 7 dwarfs. Happy
Happy,
and Sleepy.
Sleepy, Dopey, Bashful, Sneezy.
And Doc.
Dog,
And
Grumpy.
yeah, that was Grumpy. Very good.
Wreck-It Ralph.
You want to change it back to Wreck-It Ralph? Okay. Oh, there's Wreck-It Ralph. And who else is there?
Felix.
You see Felix? Oh, now what are we watching?
Wreck-It Ralph.
Well, we were watching that, but you changed the channel. Can you change it to baseball? It's watching baseball. All right.
Wreck-It Ralph.
Here comes the pitch. He throws and swing and he hits a home run. Woohoo! Our team won. Oh, we turned that off, huh? You want to watch golf? Did you turn the TV off?
Wreck-It Ralph.
Well, we've been watching that periodically. You keep turning the channel back. What are we watching now?
Wreck-It Ralph.
Oh, I don't want to watch Wreck-It Ralph. Now what are we watching?
The Little Mermaid.
The Little Mermaid. Okay, let's watch The Little Mermaid. Oh, I bet you Flounder and Sebastian will want to watch The Little Mermaid with us. Oh, yes. Oh, you changed the channel. Why, I was watching that. What else should we watch? Can we watch basketball? I like to watch sports. Oh, now they're playing basketball. Should we go turn off the TV? Oh, you turn it off with the remote. That's a good idea. Should we go put the TV away?
Yes.
Okay, go put the TV away.
For snow.